All-new INFINITI QX80 production ramps up ahead of customer deliveries. Kyushu plant continues proud tradition of building INFINITI's full-size flagship. Client-first mindset permeates through plant. U.S. client deliveries commence next month. Kyushu, Japan, ahead of its approaching arrival at retailers across the U.S., INFINITI team members are working around the clock to bring the all-new 2025 QX80 to life. Production of the all-new 2025 INFINITI QX80 is well underway in Japan. The plant, located in Kyushu, situated southwest of Japan's main Honshu Island, employs over 3,000 members of the local community and has been producing the model since the introduction of the second generation, originally named INFINITI QX56, in 2010. In the months leading up to the all-new QX80's production start, the plant underwent an overhaul, and team members reskilled in preparation for the production and assembly of a more stylish, more comfortable, and more advanced product that truly signifies INFINITI's new dawn. A core member working to bring the all-new QX80 to life since the prototype phase, General Foreman Akira Kyoda, said, "It's a moment of immense pride to see the all-new QX80 rolling out of the plant, having worked on this nameplate for close to 15 years. We always imagine the next station is the customer, so passing on the highest quality vehicle is our utmost priority." Kyoda comments on the mindset within the plant, where process stations work in clockwork-like harmony to assemble the full-size luxury SUV. Global head of INFINITI, Jose Roman, visited the plant to commend the team firsthand. The Kyushu production team's history of delivering vehicles of exceptional quality is a testament to the client-first mindset that permeates from each station along the line, Roman applauding the team's approach to delivering exceptional products. The new QX80 is the first proof point of INFINITI's product renaissance, and the talented team in Kyushu are assembling and exporting INFINITI's unique blend of modern luxury to the world. The all-new 2025 INFINITI QX80 brings a dominant, sophisticated design, first-class hospitality for all 3 rows of seating, seamless and intuitive technology, and a commanding, rewarding driving experience. It arrives at retailers across the U.S. this month, with other regions to follow later this year. All-new 2025 INFINITI QX80 named a top pick in 2024 Newsweek Autos Awards. Luxury flagship SUV lauded in Newsweek Autos Goal-Getters category. Nashville, Tennessee. Just as the all-new 2025 INFINITI QX80 begins arriving in retailers nationwide in limited supply, it has already earned its first critical accolade. The luxury SUV has been named a top pick in the 2024 Newsweek Autos Awards. Opens in a new tab. Newsweek editors evaluated vehicles across 13 categories and selected QX80 as a top pick in the Goal-Getters category, representing clients who are successful in their fields and look for a vehicle that reflects their style and personality. Editors judge vehicles based on multiple characteristics, including driving experience, design, technology, and luxury features. The all-new QX80 showcases the best of INFINITI and delivers on our goal of redefining the luxury automotive experience, said Craig Keyes, Group Vice President, INFINITI Americas. "We are honored that Newsweek Autos recognized QX80, which delights drivers with outstanding craftsmanship, next-level technology, and a commanding driving experience." Introduced earlier this year in a stunning display above Manhattan ahead of the New York International Auto Show, the all-new 2025 INFINITI QX80 redefines its segment with extraordinary levels of hospitality, curated attention to detail and technology that delivers a seamless, effortless drive. Featuring the latest interpretation of INFINITI's artistry in motion design language, QX80 has a powerfully evocative design that combines minimalist forms with precisely crafted details. Many key elements are inspired by natural, organic shapes, like light reflecting on rippling water, while incorporating the latest technologies, such as a rear combination lamp that comprises more than 300 individual LED bulbs. QX80 exceeds expectations of a 3-row luxury SUV by bringing a first-class cabin experience to all on board. The interior delights occupants with elevated touches such as available first and second-row massaging seats, semi-aniline leather-appointed upholstery, and open-pore ash-wood trim featuring laser-cut metal inlays. An available 24-speaker Klipsch reference Premier audio system immerses all 3 rows in crisp, powerful, and lifelike audio. Advanced technologies include invisible hood view, which helps drivers navigate obstacles by virtually seeing through the engine bay, and biometric cooling, which uses an infrared sensor to automatically direct cooling air to overheated second-row passengers. As with all Infiniti luxury vehicles, the all-new QX80 also rewards clients with a powerful, commanding driving experience. A new twin-turbocharged V6 engine provides effortless acceleration with 450 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. Available electronic air suspension provides varying vehicle heights for different scenarios, including lowering when parked for easier loading of cargo and people, and available dynamic digital suspension precisely tailors damping force to road conditions for a smooth, stable, and more comfortable ride. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is on sale now in limited supply, with a starting MSRP of $82,450. For detailed specifications, including full pricing, photos and videos, please see the full 2025 Infiniti QX80 press kit. Clients can learn more about QX80 at www.new-qx80.com. Opens in a new tab.